Hey everyone, welcome back to Where Wendy Travels. Today we're checking into one of the most convenient hotels in Phoenix, the Holiday Inn and Suites Phoenix Airport North, located at 1515 North 44th Street. If you're looking for comfort, convenience, and a surprisingly spacious layout, feels like a resort, just minutes from Sky Harbor Airport, this hotel might be your new go-to. As soon as you pull onto the property, my friends, you're going to notice how open and landscaped the grounds are. This Holiday Inn and Suites is built in a resort-style layout with lots of palm trees, clean walkways, and an inviting central courtyard. And I'm going to take you through the whole hotel today. And if you're flying in, the Phoenix Sky Harbor International Airport is only about 3 miles away. And yes, there's a free airport shuttle running throughout the day. Just call the front desk or let the front desk know. They will schedule a pickup or a drop-off. And inside the lobby, my friends, once you step inside, the lobby feels fresh, clean, very spacious, modern, plenty of space to sit, relax, or wait for your shuttle or ride share, and a bar. The front desk team here is usually quick and welcoming, making check-in pretty easy, whether you're arriving for business, a quick layover, or an extended stay, checking out the canyons, the saguaro cactus, and everything Phoenix has to offer, my friends. Welcome to the Holiday Inn at 1515 in beautiful Phoenix, Arizona. Yes, my friends, we are in one of 5 different Holiday Inns. I'm switching it up on you. And we have a beautiful little suite here. We have the lovely couch. We have lamps everywhere, no lights on the ceiling. And we have a chair. We have lots of room to move in, enjoy your stay here in beautiful Phoenix. And full mirror with towel hangers on either side. We have the micro fridge down here. We have cabinet space here, so if you collect some goodies, you're going to make something in the microwave. You have your refrigerator, your microwave. We have a Keurig machine here in the room with a couple of different choices there. Wish I brought more from home if I'd known. And our ice bucket is right down the hall. Looks like we have a pull-out table. So this, my friends, I absolutely love it. We've got a nice chair set up here. We can pull out the table to make an L-size desk, whatever we want for our convenience there. And they want us to stay connected. We all have our cell phones today, so we probably don't need that antique on the desk. But it is a beautiful way to set up and have a nice little office. And we've got a sink out here in the living space. Beautiful king-size bed, lamps on either side. And for our electricity here, we have just 2 plugs. We'll probably set that phone on the floor, you know I always do. Some beautiful artwork here. Reading lights on either side of the bed that I have pushed the button. They don't seem to come on, but that one did come on. So we do have light on this side. So maybe I just didn't push it right. And just the 2 plugs over here. Nice desk for my gizmos and gazmos and gadgets and gadgets. And as far as a view, well, my friends, we are on the street with all of the hotels. So not a whole lot to look out outside the window, but I will tell you, the interior is beautiful. We do have a closet feature added in here with our ironing board, suitcase stand, some hangers, so we can get comfy that way. I've not seen a safe in the room yet. These 3 drawers do pull out, so we can store our clothing here. We have the hand towels. We have the blow dryer. We have 2 cabinets on either side of the sink here that we can use. Hey me! And we are in 315. We do have the hand wash, the body lotion by Dove, and taking a walk into the bathroom. We do have our 3 towels, 1 washcloth there, and our rack there. You can kind of see through these. The shampoo's getting low, conditioner's getting low. I'm sure they'll replace those, but looks like I am good today. All right, do we have a towel hanger on the back of the door? Yes, we do. Okay, so there we have it. My only question is, and it looks like we have the washcloth here. So we have the 2 washcloths, 3 towels, 3, unless this is 2 towels put together into one, which I actually think it is, my friends. How beautiful is that? All right, so we are all set, and if we forgot something, it is the Holiday Inn still here to help us out. Just let them know at the front desk. They may have it for you. So we'll see you around as I give a tour around the whole hotel. And there is a restaurant here, a little burger place. They do have breakfast for $16.95 a day. So we'll check that out. We'll check out dinner, and I'll let you know. Some of the amenities I want you to know about, my friends, is the large fitness center, 24-hour business center, pet-friendly rooms. There is a fee for your pet, though. Free Wi-Fi, conference rooms, and event space. Popular for meetings and trainings, and parking. Well, parking is huge in Phoenix. There's a lot of spaces here. It is a pay-by-plate, pay-by-phone kind of situation. And why is this the perfect spot? Well, my friends, the Phoenix Zoo is 8 minutes. Desert Botanical Garden, 10 minutes. You cannot miss this place. The Desert Botanical Gardens, worth it, worth it, worth it. Downtown Phoenix, 12 minutes. Scottsdale, 15 minutes. Gotta go to Scottsdale. Tempe and ASU, about 10 minutes away. My friends, multiple highways, freeways all around us, including Loop 202 and Highway 143. Hey, me. All right, we've got a full mirror down the side. We've got the bicycle, the step stairs, the treadmills. We've got the weights. Looks like a nice setup. And of course, our water and towels. And because this hotel sits on 44th Street, there's tons of restaurants within a short drive, everything from local spots to fast casual. This Holiday Inn and Suites at 1515 is best for travelers using Phoenix Airport, business travelers needing space to work, beautiful desk layouts, as I showed you, families who want a larger room and a pool, road trippers, anyone needing one night stay before or after a flight, before you go on with your adventure, and winter travelers who want sunshine without paying resort prices. My friends, overall, the Holiday Inn and Suites, Phoenix Airport North, is clean, comfortable, spacious, restaurant right on property. And if you appreciate large suites, easy access to the airport, an outdoor courtyard that feels like a small resort, this hotel is a great pick for you for your Phoenix stay. Enjoy, my friends. Have a great day. Bye.